Hi, it's Hardware Said, and today I'll show you how to fix slow charging on your Samsung Galaxy A26. So first, check your cable for damage and the compatibility with your phone. Then, right here on the bottom is the charging port. Clean it with a non-metallic tools, just use compressed air, Q-tips or wooden sticks. Make sure that all the background apps are closed, and right here when you scroll from the top, disable every feature you're not currently using, for example a Wi-Fi or a Bluetooth. And that's it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.